Hi, I'm John. Imagine almost losing your life just for water. It happened to me. After being robbed from my family's water supply, I knew I needed a better solution. Traditional methods of finding or storing water are becoming unreliable and dangerous, especially with the looming threat of a 100-year drought. Today, I want to share a revolutionary device, one that even the army uses to provide fresh water in the desert. This device extracts moisture from the air, producing up to 50 gallons of water daily. It's crucial to understand that a drought of this magnitude is already on our doorstep. The recent 20-year drought in California is just the beginning. This climate crisis will span across North America, affecting everyone. As the situation worsens, stockpiling water is no longer a safe option for survival, and relying on wells may leave you vulnerable. People become desperate in times of need, and the consequences can be devastating. Instead, you need a constant, portable water source that keeps you independent and secure. I spent nearly 2 decades studying survival techniques. When our well dried up, I faced a critical need for an alternative water source. After being robbed, I was determined to never rely on unpredictable methods again. I sought solutions from the off-grid community and discovered an innovative technology. This air fountain system not only harnesses humidity but operates off-grid. I built my first unit for under $300, and it now provides my family with fresh water without the risks of contamination. And it takes less than 30 minutes to assemble. I want to help you build your own air fountain with my step-by-step program, designed for even those without any technical experience. This system weighs less than 10 pounds, making it incredibly portable. Just set it up, turn it on, and enjoy fresh water immediately. Imagine never worrying about water shortages again. Picture fetching water from an endless reservoir sourced from the air, even in drought-stricken regions. You can even explore off-grid power solutions. Plus, you can reduce your utility costs significantly. Thousands of people are already benefiting from the air fountain. By following my video guide, you'll have the tools to secure your family's future, a priceless investment. Best of all, you can start this journey today and receive valuable bonus reports, packed with strategies for water security, purification techniques, and knowledge of the hidden dangers in your water supply. Don't wait for the situation to worsen. Click the link below, and let's ensure you and your family have a reliable source of water for years to come. Act now and secure your air fountain system, your assurance of fresh water in the future.